This is a quick little demonstration video just to show how to get the layers moved up and down in the map and data box. Make sure that the map and data box is closed to its just basic open position. That's when it's completely closed, but close any of the other open layers that you might have with map and data. Then you can go down. I've got a lot of data on this one at the top, but you can go down and grab a state layer or a territory layer by hovering your cursor over that layer, and then grab it by, I click down on my trackpad, and I think if it was your mouse, you would just click down on your mouse and move it up. And now you'll see the territory layer is above the state layer. So you can see here the boundary that I have set for my territory is brown, but when I take my state layer and I grab it with my mouse cursor and I move it up, now you can see the state border through the territory. And that's, I think, what your goal is. So the other thing you could do is set up a request using the contact button for a web demo with Jason. He's at lunch right now, but he'll be back at 1. So I'm sure he'd be happy to do that.